What's going on, guys? It is me here. I am back with a new theory. So I got this nice comment from Ryan Cord. I hope you say your name right. And his name is gonna be displayed on the screen too. So this comment says that Trader Johan, Viggo and Krogan might actually find the Bewilderbeast, and then they might actually test the new weapon, which is what they call it. So if they actually test this, a possibility for us to see them use this weapon against Irit's fortress. Could this be a thing? It would be interesting to see this. Also, another thing is, what will happen to Hiccup and his crew? Will they try to find this too? Are they going to fight Bewilderbeast, even though they don't know this is a Bewilderbeast? Maybe not, because Hiccup even says that he didn't know this dragon was a thing, the second movie. And in the end, could possibly happen was that maybe Krogan and Viggo might find Draco in the last episodes, and they go over to Draco and says that they have this secret weapon, which is the reason why I don't name Johan in this situation. Is maybe he goes back to the good, turns around and just leave on his own and no one will see him again, or maybe he has been killed by Viggo and Krogan for trying to take the weapon himself, which is the dragon. Or could he possibly just have ran away? What do you guys think? Let me know down below. The last thing is, if Hiccup actually sees them actually go with the Bewilderbeast over to Draco, would there be a possibility for him actually to just see a bit of the dragon, or maybe he's just gone with the dragon because you don't know who Draco is either, so maybe he only sees Viggo and Krogan come back with something they couldn't get anyways. Hope you enjoy, guys. A new theory will always be pinned as #1. See you next time. Goodbye, guys.